So today we have another one from a company we've partnered with before, EVDance, and this time instead of their extension cable, we have their new level 1 or 2 electric vehicle chargers for Tesla. It's meant to speed up your home charging. It has a load of features actually. There's two variants, an app controlled one and a non. This is actually the non-app controlled one, but with both, you can see your metrics on how much electricity you're using, the charge speed right on the actual charger itself. Let's unbox this and take a quick look. Thanks to EVDance for sending this out to us for you guys to check out. I will leave those affiliate links up down below. As always, we greatly appreciate when you use them. It helps out the channel immensely. Let's get right into it. So as you saw in that introduction, here is the packaging for that new L1 and 2 electric charger. You can see it has a 1.77-inch TFT display with adjustable functions for output. You have a delayed start function and obviously an LED indicator letting you know if it's charging, if it's connected, if there's a fault, or things of that nature. And on the side, you can see if it has Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connected. Again, if you have those advanced models with the actual ability to use the app. You have all your regular specifications on the side right here. If you want to take a look at those, you can see it's a 120 or a 240 outlet, up to 24 amps max, with the NEMA 1430 plug, standard NACS, the North American Charging Standard. Circuit breaker requirements is a 32 amp circuit breaker. Operating temperature is probably what you would have to deal with in the majority of the times, unless you're in Alaska or Canada or something crazy. Your enclosure rating, total length, and this is important, it does give you 25 feet of charging cable. And then on the side here, really just recapping what we just said, minus the IP66 water and dust resistance. So what's very cool is when you open this baby up and get right into it, it's not just some chintzy packaging that gives you nothing else in it but the product. You actually get a completely nice charging cable or case here for the charging cable. So you can carry it around as you need, transport it as you wish with some nice handles, and you are ready to go. Then when you need to use it, you're simply gonna open this baby up and get to the star of the show. First things first, you will see all of your regular reading materials here if you need. So you can see your plugs, the NACS outlet, the adapter as well, your start guides, all the app information that we were talking about. We'll plug that to the side and let's see the accessories in here. Rip this baby open. You will see it comes with everything you need to mount it in your garage or wherever you so choose. You have your anchors, your screws, the actual location where the hose will sit, the charger itself obviously, and the cover for the back plate right here. We have the star of the show, and first thing you'll realize when you take this out of the packaging is just how nice the build quality is. Again, unsurprisingly, thanks to how well everything is built here. And that is all in the packaging. So when you go ahead and actually open this up and pull all these off, you will see a cover over the NACS or Tesla charging port here. It's nice rubber, as you can see it gripping on to the plastic. You have a little bit more to peel off. You can obviously keep this covered as you need. You have your regular power button here, or release button, I should say. And then built into the cable right here, you can see that nice 240 plug right here. And again, I can't stress this enough unless you get your hands on it, but this feels very well built and very solid. There's your 25-foot cable. Let's take a look at the star here with the actual brains of this. And here it is, again, nicely protected. Oh, there's that satisfying sound coming right off, and then an additional one as well for the screen. And you can see exactly what it'll look like. There is nice material on the back so you can see exactly what everything means for the status indicators, kind of like we read on the box. And that is that. So let's get this baby plugged in and we will be right back. So one of the beautiful things about this that I didn't touch on yet already is not only can you use this with the 1450 adapter or any of those type items right here, as you can see, but you also do get a traditional one if you just want to plug it in just to a regular wall outlet and charge your vehicle like you charge your phone. So as you saw, all you're going to want to do is simply flip this around, line everything up, and connect it. And then once you do so, this will be able to be charged just like you would with any normal charger. And I'm going to move this camera up a little bit just to show you how this is going to plug in so easily right here. All we're going to do, simply grab it, plug it in, and give it a second, and this will power on, as you probably heard with that beep. So as you can see here, once everything's all plugged in and powered up, you get a nice LED indicator letting you know what the status is that we talked about that showed on the back here. Now, beyond that though, what's more exciting is just all this information you can process right from the display itself. It shows you if it's connected to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the status, the ampage, the temperature, the volts, and the kilowatts that it is charging at. You obviously do have all of the abilities